Welcome back to Tips and Tactics. Today, I'll show you how to create an automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Step 1. Use heading styles. First, you need to apply heading styles to your section titles. Highlight the text you want in the table of contents. Then go to the Home tab and select a heading style like Heading 1 for main titles or Heading 2 for subtitles. Repeat this for all sections of your document. Step 2. Insert the table of contents. Next, place your cursor where you want the table of contents. Usually, it's at the start of the document. After that, go to the References tab and click on Table of Contents. From the drop-down menu, select a built-in style or customize it. Step 3. Update the table of contents automatically. Once your table of contents is added, it updates automatically as you edit your document. For example, if you change a heading or page number, simply click Update Table in the References tab to refresh it. You can also customize the table of contents to suit your needs. Click on Custom Table of Contents and adjust the format, levels, or alignment as shown in video. And that's how easy it is to create an automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time on Tips and Tactics.